Hello everyone, I am Ujwala Miss from Mumbai, India. I teach accounts at Abhishek coaching and I am going to make this accountancy subject easy for you. Today we are going to start with the topic Partnership Final Accounts for grade 12 ISC and CBSE. This topic is covered in grade 12 CBSE as well as ISC. Students, have you heard about Partnership Act? No. In India, there are many laws. One of the law is Indian Partnership Act 1932, which tells us about what are the provisions, what are the rules to be followed by the partners when they come together to carry out a business. In accounts, we record business transactions. Here we are going to record the business transactions of partnership firm. So what is a partnership firm? When more than two people, when more than two persons come together, let's say A, B, C are three partners, they come together to carry out some lawful business, with the motive of earning profits, it is called partnership business. So when we call partnership business, there are minimum two people, 1 plus 1. The act says that there has to be minimum 2 persons and maximum 50. This will be a composition of a partnership firm. See, singly if I start a business, it is called sole trader or sole proprietorship, where minimum 2 people come together with the motive of carrying a lawful business and earning profit. It is called partnership business. Individually we call them partners. Individually A, B and C are partners. Togetherly we call them partnership firm. Now these people have come together. They will start a business. As you know, no business can be started without money or finance. So the partners will bring in some money. The partners will invest some money called as capital. A, B and C. Let us take an example. A is bringing 50,000, B is bringing 50,000 and C is bringing 50,000. So togetherly the total capital of 1.5 lakhs. They are starting business with this basic capital 1.5 lakhs. Now what do? They bring in the capital. They start the business activities of, let's say, buying and selling of goods. But initially the partners have to invest their own funds, their own private funds, which is called as capital. A, B and C have come together to start a business. They have got money with them. Now they will carry out the business transaction, which we are going to record under the topic Partnership Final Accounts. How to record the transaction is the next part. First try and understand what are the basic rules of partnership. The partners have come together to share profits, because they all are doing the business togetherly, jointly. They are taking the risk jointly, they are doing the work jointly, and ultimately they will share the profits as well as losses. The business may suffer losses initially. All the partners will share profits as well as losses, because it is a business of more than 2 people. If there are 2 persons, let's say A and B, they started a business. When they start a business, they will make an agreement between them. All the partners will make an agreement in writing, which is called as partnership deed. The agreement should be in writing. So even if there is some kind of dispute or misunderstanding, the terms and conditions are clearly written in the agreement. No partner can just go above these terms and conditions which are written in agreement. no partner can go above the terms and conditions written in this agreement. The written agreement is called as partnership deed. In this deed or agreement, everything will be mentioned. Mr. A is bringing, let's say, 50,000 capital, Mr. B is bringing 50,000 capital, and so on. Plus, the agreement will mention what would be the profit sharing ratio amongst the partners. It is possible that when A and B, there are only two partners, they may share their profit in 1:1 ratio. That is, they are sharing the profits equally. We call it equal partners. This generally depends, the profit sharing ratio generally depends on the amount of capital that partners are bringing in. So in this example, A, B and C, there are three partners. All the three partners are bringing in same amount of capital, that is 50,000, 50,000 and 50,000. So when they are bringing capital in equal ratio, the profit sharing ratio is generally equal. So in this ratio, in this case, A, B, C, the profit sharing ratio will be 1:1:1, that is 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. So let's assume that this firm earned profit of rupees 30,000. Profits of rupees 30,000. And there are three partners, A, B and C, who are sharing profits in the ratio of 1:1:1. When the firm has earned 30,000 rupees as total profits, there are three partners, A, B, C. They are sharing profits in the ratio of 1:1:1. That means 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. The profits will be shared by A, B and C in the ratio of 1:1:1, that is equally 10,000, 10,000 and 10,000, which makes total 30,000. How did I get this 10,000? 30,000 into 1/3. 30,000 into 1/3, I get 10,000 each. This is the basic of partnership final accounts. We need to do a lot of work by preparing long tables such as trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. We will see in the next video. Thank you.